This is a review for a cordless vacuum cleaner that I just received. It does come with additional accessories, so let's go ahead and check them out. And what we have here is a flexible hose. This is really neat and not very usual. It also comes with a couple of air nozzles, big one and a small one. These are cool to inflate, for example, a mattress. We got our charger here. And then we also have an extension with a brush. And here we have the vacuum is inside this bag, which is a good idea. And then we have another extension tube. One of the first things that I'm noticing as I'm getting it out of the bag is how super lightweight it really is. And I really like that. So I'm going to go ahead and test it out here on a rug. There's peanuts on the floor. We're gonna see how this little vacuum does its job. It looks like it's having a little bit of a hard time picking up a lint. Works really good on the floor. I'm going to go ahead and get an attachment going. I'll use the brush, and this is pretty easy and simple to do, which is convenient. Let's test it out. I went ahead and I added the flexible hose and I attached the brush to it. That way we can go ahead and see how it goes on really tight places like this one. These little links are pretty stubborn. I have a hard time picking them up. There it goes. Here's the stubborn green beans again. Now I can definitely tell you that I love the way it cleans on my stairs. I think it's awesome on a hard floor. Everything goes properly. I see you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Got it. And to open it for cleaning, we just push these two buttons right here. Super easy, comes apart. We go ahead and take out the filter. Remember, it is not disposable, so we can just wash it off, keep it clean, take everything out, and it will be ready to go.